Now that you have pain here,
Yes.
your tongue left side, how much you can do? It is max you can do.
Mm.
Painful?
Mm.
This side? This side is fine.
Little boss.
Okay. And bend forward. Pain? Here.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. How did you get the pain? What's the nature of your work?
Banker, sitting on the desk all the time.
Okay. Once I fix your neck pain, give me a free credit card for lifetime. Okay?
That's easy.
Take a deep breath. Out through your mouth. Cool. All fine? Relax. Now turn left side. Better?
Yeah.
Here. Feeling good?
Better.
Good. And out. Cool. Now, do you get pain here
Yes.
and here?
Yes.
Okay. Since how many days?
Since I fall down.
When did you fall down? Till childhood?
No, in July.
July 2021. Right? One more. Take a deep breath. And out. Straight. Take rest.
What kind of sitting or was?
Now walking. How you walk while sitting?
Black.
Yeah?
Pain is gone.
Really?
Yeah.
You're lying, right?
No. Pain is gone.
Yeah. Try to touch the floor and check. Good?
Gone.
Yeah.
I'm serious. Gone.
Okay. Oh, wow. You can play football?
Yeah. I can do anything now.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.